Skills Competition Wales is a unique development programme funded by Welsh Government. Mantes mawr I pob myfyrwyr sy'n cymryd ran yn cystadlu yn hyn. Mae fe'n profi bod I gwerth nhw ar gyfer eu sgiliau. Maen nhw'n creu hyder ar gyfer cystadlu. And we develop young people for skills competitions varying from aeronautical engineering through to hair and beauty.
Skills Competition Wales cycle starts in September to October, where competitors can register or their tutors can register on their behalf. And the competitions typically take place between January and February.
The format will deliver regional heats across Wales, where we've got 13 partners that we work with to deliver a competition structure which is fit for Wales to develop the next generation.
Wales is punching above its weight, and we actually develop new competitions which influences eventually what happens on the world stage.
We deliver across 5 sectors: engineering, construction, IT and enterprise, health and hospitality, and media and creative. It's a high pressure scenario. You're put in an environment where there's tight deadlines time-wise, and we expect them to produce a high standard. And I'm proud to say that there's a good network of providers in Wales that are now exceeding expectations.
They're trained to work in an industrial, stressed environment against the clock and against the economy required in terms of the financial side of materials.
Well, we celebrate the achievements of those learners, and also we recognise the staff as well, because without the staff members behind them, those competitors would potentially never have taken part.
If you're a student thinking of registering to enter into our competitions or go further afield to UK competitions or international, then I'd really just suggest that you put your skills to the test and just go for it.
We've got a good track record in Wales now of producing international competitors. For the backbone and strength of that, I honestly believe, is Skills Competition Wales. It's unique to us, and it's where we breed the next generation of international competitors. Y cyngor yw ni fyfyrwyr sy'n meddwl cymryd ran yw edrych ar y wefan, gael gwybodaeth o fath o gysadlaethau ni'n gael, a tasgau ni wedi defnyddio o blaen.
Os ydych chi'n meddwl am wneud y cystadleuaeth, just cer amdani.